what is the blind spot strategy? So here's the background story. So Steve and me, Steve was also in the futures room. We trading a long time ago together. We came from the Chat with Traders community, and we was trading one-to-one and all this stuff. And what we doing when we trading futures is we always looking for correlation. If we trading the NQ, we always looking for the SPY, the SPY, we're looking for the wicks and some other ones. So we're looking for the correlation. So when we trading purely price action or we have some indicators on our side, then we want a second confirmation. And the second confirmations is sometimes the correlation. And what is the really cool thing with MenthorQ and is that we have the ability to use the gamma levels what we get from the boot to convert this into the NQ. And I will share with this really quick. So the first step how the blind spot is working is we going to our Discord. We're looking for our levels what the boot give us, and then I copy paste everything. I do this in Google Keep. You can do this wherever you want, and this is the NDX code what we get from the boot. What I'm doing is here's the NDX. I add NDX, 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 and on all levels. So NDX.
Patrick, maybe before we go into, so maybe let's just share why you're doing this. So there's,
okay.
Yeah, because basically, so the indicator was designed to convert the levels from the underlying asset to the tradable future. So the indicator now allows you to add levels to NQ, ES, RTY, and YM. Because before we had the futures data, those were the 4 futures or 4 assets that users were trading. So they were looking at SPX, but in reality, they're trading, ES, right? So how can we add those levels in one chart so that you can make it easier to do that? So right now, the indicator has some limitation that we are going to address in the next iteration, where you're going to be able to actually do this automatically. So with the new indicator that is going to come up in a few weeks, you're actually going to be able to just simplify, convert the levels on any asset that you want. But right now, the functionality available allows you to add levels from NDX or QQQ to NQ, or from SPY and SPX to ES, right? So that's why Patrick is doing kind of like a manual process so that you can actually add levels from different assets on the NQ chart.
Yeah, that's correct. And why I find the blind spots really interesting is if you're looking only to the NDX or NQ, whatever you're looking for, then you see maybe like this. NDX, boom, 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 put support, 1 day expected move, etc., etc. But if you add the other ones, then you get a bigger picture. And this is something what I'm calling the blind spots. And what the blind spots basically are, it's more like support and resistance. But the name like SPY, 1 day expected move, SPX, 1 day expected move, all the names behind of this, they give us some feeling like about the strange from this from the support and resistance. It's no more like pure support and resistance. It's like support and resistance based on the options mythology.
Yep.
And then we know exactly if this is a strong level or not.